What's up, guys? Axel here, trading live. We're in a series of trades right now. We're actually trading quite a bit of pairs. We're trading gold. Well, mostly all these open positions that we have is gold, but we did cash in earlier on a Euro USD trade. Where is it? Yeah, so as you can see right now, we are already up in profit $6,500. So we did $3,400 on gold and then $3,100 on Euro USD. This was a 20 lot trade. So very happy with that for the day. But right now we're currently in profits about $1,000. As you can see, we have a lot of open positions. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 open positions. And right now I'm currently monitoring this one. So this green line that you see here is the TP that the algorithm has set for me. So when we hit this, the one that you see downstairs at 2,900, 2,800 will close down. Then we'll just have to manage the ones that are currently in drawdown. So yeah, I mean, look, we got extremely close right here, right? But it's really teasing us right now. But that's just how it is. Let's see. We got a good push right there. Some good bullish momentum. By the way, what you guys are seeing currently on the trading view is happening on the 1 minute time frame. So it is a lot of noise every single minute. A new candle is coming out. I would not suggest you trade like this. You will lose your mind. So, but we're doing it for the stream just to give you guys a clearer idea of what's happening, because the algorithm itself does trade on the 1 minute time frame. So I wanted to match that to what you guys see. But if you're looking at a 1 hour, for example, you're seeing a different picture where we're trading this kind of range that is, it's like a downward range, but it's part of this downtrend right here. But it's much less noise. As you can see right here, all we have to do is hit this green line, and on the 1 hour, this is a very big bullish candlestick and it's forming a pattern, as you can see here. So let's see what happens, guys. This is what the algorithm chose to trade. I've had it deactivated for the last few days because I was so busy moving houses. Just moved to a new place. As you can see, my setup is completely different from my last live video that I had. I had to literally reconstruct this room from scratch, add all the things to it, make it look nice. We got the cool LEDs. Yeah, we got, hold on, we got that one there. We got a F1 car, a Lego F1 car hung up right there. So it's just cool shit, man. I wanted to make this room look cool, look nice on stream. But yeah, well, let's put this light over there. This light should be over there. Okay, there we go. Much better. Oh man, look at this candle trying to fuck us. Don't like that. Here we go again with the bull crap, with the bullshit. Bro, as soon as you start speaking, but we are in this like super tight range. Like, goddamn, bro, just need a little push. Again, when you see this stuff like this, go to the 1 hour, and we still have a big fat candle. You know, don't lose hope. We still have a big fat candle. And anyways, we're up $1,000 something in profit. I just need these losing trades to get in profit so that the algorithm can set a trailing TP for them. Right now, they don't have a, sorry, I'm in a trailing stop loss for them. Because currently they have no stop loss, so they're just open positions. And the algorithm will set the stop losses once they get in profit so that at least minimum we break even on them. Worst case scenario. At least that's how I have it set up. You can have it set up multiple ways. By the way, if you don't know what's happening right now, you're first time watching this, this is We are currently trading. Well, it's live for me, but probably for you it's going to be posted a few days afterwards. But we are trading with a trading algorithm. This is not my manual trades. This is a whole trading algorithm, as you can see, that's up here. When you look at the here, this is Archangel X, our proprietary trading algorithm. It works on personal accounts, works on prop firms accounts to pass challenges, everything. And this thing has been making me a shit ton of money on the live markets. And because of that, I chose to start streaming these, I guess, or recording these. I can also do these live, by the way, if you guys want. But yeah, if you are interested in getting your hands on something like this that can trade for you, definitely hit us up. You'll find the link in the description. You can book a call with us, contact us, Telegram, whatever it is, and we'll get you set up. The learning curve on it is not crazy, so you'll become profitable much faster than, let's say, with manual trading. Like much faster, like exponentially faster. What are we at? Man, let's go back to the 1 minute. Get that anxiety. We are in a fucking tight ass range. It's just, man, this summer is just gonna be that. It's gonna be ranging unless we get some big events happening. But even then, bro, we just had the Israel and Iran fights happening, sending missiles out to each other. And the market is not really reacting as I thought it would. Like, I thought gold would start skyrocketing. I thought oil would start skyrocketing, especially they hitting like Iran oil reserves and all kinds of shit. But it's not happening. It's been pretty stable and it's maintaining the same sideways momentum that it's been had for the past few weeks, to be honest. So I'm kind of disappointed in that, if I'm being honest. But yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. And my hair grew quite a bit. Should just braid it up. Boom. I'm gonna do that. That's what it is, guys. Like, normally when I'm not streaming, I just let this stuff happen in the background. Like, I don't even check in on it like that. Or I'll probably be playing some video games. That's usually what I do. I don't really go out like that. So usually we'll have this stuff trading. We'll have my algorithm trading taking care of all the decisions, choosing when to enter, when to exit. Usually you as the user just have to choose like the overarching strategy. For example, you're like, okay, let's put a ranging strategy on this pair. Let's do, there's still some human involvement from you, especially choosing what kind of strategy you want to run, what kind of set file you want to run. But the trading itself, the entries, the exits, all of that happens. The AI does everything, and it dynamically updates the TPs, the stop losses, all of that. So cool stuff. But yeah, what I was saying is, like, usually when this is happening or when my algorithm is trading, I just be living my life, playing video games, doing other stuff, taking care of my business. We're about to push harder with the marketing for Archangel X. We've literally been not marketing anything for the past year. Basically, we've just been working on the product itself. I've stopped all like ad spend, all kinds of stuff that I've stopped because we wanted to really get the product together. Like, I I didn't want to go into market and just bring the same old, right? We wanted to come in and like literally take over the shit. And in order to do that, you got to really work on your product and have a product that works amazingly well. And as you guys, you guys are seeing it in action, right? I'm already up $6,500 today in a single day. This is after reactivating it because I wasn't trading the past week, and currently up $1,000 floating. And I didn't have to do any of this stuff. I'm just chilling right here talking to you guys while this is doing all the heavy lifting, all the hard work. So now what ideally we would want to see, because this is a ranging strategy, right, is that we would hit the TP here, and this would probably be a place of previous structures. You can see right here, this has been tested multiple times. And from there, it would come down in order for these cells that we have open to go into profit. So right now, because we have a buy and a sell, so we're kind of hedging. So that's what we'd need to do. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of these kind of hedging strategies, but when you have ranging markets, like this is what works. This is what works in ranging markets. Like this type of strategy would blow your account during the trending market, right? Which is why we love Archangel X, because it's able to adapt. If we see that the market is trending, we can go ahead and implement trending strategies onto it and catch those big moves. But in this case, summertime, slow time, we have to go back to basics and trade these ping pong ranges, up and down, up and down, up and down. It's pretty boring too, because the markets are just slow, so slow, and then the momentum is so slow. You don't see big moves. And if you have a trending strategy, usually like you won't make that much money during the summer. So most traders don't really make good money during the summer, unless, for example, our ODA Pantheon had a martingale strategy, right? And that would really kill it during the summer because it's slow momentum like this. So we try to implement similar strategies into Archangel X specifically for times like this, where it's just slow, like what you guys are currently seeing. And yeah, we've implemented some ranging strategies recently in the 2.7 update that released literally a few days ago. But I hinted at it during the last live or the last recording. But yeah, guys, this is the new reality of trading. It's just having a super powerful trading algorithm, letting it make all the decisions. I think maybe in future streams, if I want them to go longer, because it gets pretty boring just sitting here, just watching a whole bunch of nothing, right? Because like we've been fighting to just hit here, bro. Like we're talking about, this is not a big gap right there that we need to close in order to hit our TPs, but we've just been here, just watching it. Now, I'm not gonna lie. This is also because, like I said, we're on the 1 minute time frame, and because we're streaming, and I have to say something, right? I can't just shut up the whole time. So I gotta keep yapping out here. But yeah, so we just closed this 1 hour candle right here, pretty bullish, 2 in a row. Hopefully this one just opened, so it's still building its body out. Let's see. Hopefully we get some momentum towards the upside, hit our TP, and then we can focus on the sells. But yeah, as you see, we are stuck right now, and there's not much volume right now. And by the way, Archangel X doesn't just take random entries, right? We have it in a way where it uses certain indicators, usually the indicators that manual traders would use, and it would go based off that. For example, ADX to know how deep the trend is, right? And then we got EMAs also to help identify that. Then we got RSIs if you want to trade oversold or overbought conditions, or even to trade reversals. That's really good for that, for counter trend trading. Or what else? Even ATR, we're able to use that. Even Bollinger Bands. So you can have like 2-3 confluences running at once, and so that way when you do have that, the entries that you get are gonna be very laser like, right? I don't think we're using all of them currently because we're range trading, but usually when we're trend trading, those indicators combined come in super handy, and then we get sniper entries that are like with minimal drawdown and just cashing in. That's how I grew this account that you're currently seeing. And this account is a big account, by the way. I should trade bigger lot sizes. Like, sometimes I feel like I'm a pussy because this account can handle huge lot sizes. I just don't like huge drawdown, especially this is real money, right? So I don't want to see my account bleeding and stuff. And this is years and years of savings, of my savings. I don't want to just fucking blow it, right? But this account can for sure handle way bigger lot sizes. For example, Forex, usually I trade about 20 lot sizes on this. But this type of account can do 80, I think. 50, 80, in that range. And also like gold, I'm trading 2 lot size. I could be doing 10 lot size. I mean, again, like all the drawdown, everything. Like for example, instead of being up $1,000, I'd probably be up $10,000 currently, right? In floating. And this previous stuff that we closed would be $65,000 in a single day. But again, it's the risk to reward. When I'm in drawdown, for example, before going on stream, I was in drawdown like $4,000. I did not show that, but I was in drawdown $4,000. And so that would have been $40,000 that I'm in drawdown for a single day. So I don't know. Maybe I just need to mature up as a trader, right? And be able to handle these bigger numbers. Maybe you guys will see it happening on stream. And especially, like I said, like my account can handle these kind of things. But can I handle it? You know? Archangel can handle it. He does. Archangel doesn't care. I'll just go re-optimize set files that are higher risk, bigger lot sizes, and that's it. But I have to be the one watching this stuff happening and accepting it and being okay. Like I'm okay with this amount of drawdown, $60,000 in drawdown, $80,000 in drawdown, which is scary. You guys saw that wick right there? What the hell? But yeah, which is scary, but it is what it is. But that's the difference sometimes. Like when you got real money on the line, it is not the same as trading demo or even as trading prop firms, bro. Because trading prop firms, like, worst case scenario, you're just gonna go and buy another challenge that's gonna cost you $500, right? Whereas with this, there is no other challenge. If you're $80,000 in drawdown and that ends up just being your loss for the day, you are down 80 grand for the day. But then again, on the upside, when you're up, you're also up $60,000 for the day. It's a double-edged sword. I don't know. I guess I'll have to mature in front of you guys and do more of these, do them live and bigger lot sizes, and yeah, just mature as a human, because you just need that tolerance, right? And everybody's risk tolerance is different. Like you can see, like for example, we have 3,000 plus traders inside our Discord, and this is over multiple years, by the way. So I've seen a lot of different profiles of traders and how they are, and we we see the different traders. We see the low risk traders versus the super high risk traders. We see all of that and how some of them move. And some of the high risk people, although yes, they might make a lot of money, like crazy amounts of money sometimes, but we also see them lose more accounts. So it's double edged. It's a double edged sword. Oh man. Bro, we're so close to just touching this, bro. Like, why? Should I just manually close it at this point? You know what we should do? And let me, if you're still watching this at this point, let me know in the comments, man. Let me know in the comments. I wanna, because me just talking all day could be boring, right? I admit. But what if we did them live, like with an actual chat box and everything? You guys could come in, participate, watch everything happen. But not only that, while that's happening, maybe you guys are sending me things to react to, right? You're sending me, I don't know, trading TikToks that are cringe and you want a reaction out of me or things like that. Like, you know, how these streamers and shit do. We could do that, but for trading, you know, make it fun, make it. Or I could also just play video games in front of y'all. Like, I don't mind. I don't mind. I'll probably need a better rig though, because playing is one thing, but playing plus streaming, that can take a toll on your shit, and then the frame rates start going really low, and yeah, it's not that great. Ah. Man, it's nighttime right now. Getting a little tired. Guys, I might have to manually close this one because it keeps edging me and it's pissing me off. I normally wouldn't do this when I'm not watching them, right? I just let it do its thing. But I might just close this manually because we know it's gonna hit. Like, we know it's gonna hit TP. It's right there. I just don't want to keep waiting and waiting and waiting for it. And I don't want this stream to be taking forever. Although the other trades that are currently in loss, I will leave them and the AI would have to manage them. What are we? Oh, this is oil. I'm like, what are we looking at? Yeah, so let's look at oil. Oh, let me get that out of the way. I mean, actually, let me go on the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 minute is not a reliable source of true information. So the attacks happened during the week. So it happened on the 15th, right? So we're still within this. I don't get it. I would expect like that, but I guess not. Like, they're literally hitting Iran oil bases and crazy shit like that. That should put the price of oil up. Anything that has to do with war normally puts the price of oil higher. And we're around the same range. Like, look at this disgusting range that, oh my, this is disgusting, man. Then we had a little uplift here, but this is before the missiles were sent. So I don't remember what happened here, but then we were just back into this range. Look at this bullshit. Look at this. Look, we're missing our TP by like a hair. Look. Do you see this? Look, let me zoom that in. Look by how much we're missing our TP by this much. This is a joke. This is a joke. But yeah, man, I love automated trading. I'm not gonna. This thing can give you a life of freedom. Because I'm here streaming this for you guys, but normally I'm out there enjoying my life. I don't even be looking at this stuff most of the time. I got a delivery coming in a bit. Buying another camera so I can have like a A angle and a B angle, or a A and B camera. Cool shit. Maybe let's look at some what is the Discord doing right now? I don't think there's much action, bro. It's too slow. I don't know. Boom. Oh, we got our trades. He did about $1,900 on gold, 2 lots. You see, his account is probably way smaller than mine, right? And he's doing 2 lots. That's why I said my account can handle 10 lots. You got Subash joined this group yesterday, and today my first day using Archangel, straight to $3,000 profit. Let's go. 3. So like, yeah, these guys be taking more risk than me. I'm not gonna lie. We got some back testing. We got 15,000 gross profit with 8,000 drawdown. That's really good. What about this one? 22,000 with, that's really good. He got some good stuff right there. And that's on Forex.com, which is a regulated US broker. We got my boy here, what's his name? TV. His name is TV, I guess. Yeah, $2,200 in profits on a $10,000 deposit. You see, like, good shit, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff, man. Yeah, Discord's not super active right now because, bro, are you seeing this? Oh my god, guys, I have a delivery coming in a bit. I'm gonna have to close that profitable trade, call it a day, and I'm gonna let the algorithm handle the rest. But yeah, just a little quick live trading check-in session, nothing crazy. I gotta learn how these people be doing these long sessions. Like, let me see something. How long are like the TJR ones? Let's check. 56 minutes, 59 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. But sometimes he does short ones. 23 minutes. Okay. Let's see. What about Alex G? How long are his lives or live trading? 29 minutes, 27 minutes, 25 minutes, 36 minutes. Okay. That's cool then. Oh my god. Are you guys seeing the candlestick? That shit is almost touching. Guys, we already know this is gonna hit this, so I'm gonna do myself a favor and close it. I'm gonna close it on my phone. Yeah, call it a day. I'm gonna cash in these profits so I can have a big, huge day. Boom. I have closed the trade. Done. We're currently $2,300 in drawdown that we'll have to manage. Hopefully it hits this previous zone of structure and then continues its ping pong down, as you guys can see. Bang, 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 bang. So hopefully that pattern continues. If not, I hope we don't get stopped out on these current running trades because they are all in drawdown. And yeah, you see for the day currently we're up $10,000 and $10,000 and 10. I don't know how do you even say this number? $10,008, I guess. So that's what we're currently up for the day. I'm happy with that. We are in drawdown. This is gonna have to get managed. We'll let the trading algorithm do its thing, whether we close at a W or a loss. Overall, we'll still be in profit, hopefully, because we have a big cushion of 10 grand. So yeah, I think we're gonna be fine. I'll call it a day, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I want to do this stuff like actual live next time with the chat box and everything, and actually interacting with you guys. I've done that stuff before, so you can definitely do it again. And yeah, happy $10,000 day. If you want an algorithm to actually trade for you and get all of your trades taken care of by a trading algorithm, all you have to do is click the link down in the description. You will get more information on how everything works, how you can get your hands on the same algorithm that you just saw made me $10,000 in front of your eyes for today. And yeah, man, I'm telling you, this shit is life-changing, especially if you're like struggling as either a beginner trader or you have traded before, but you just can't seem to find that consistency. I'm telling you, there is nothing that's going to be as consistent as an algorithm, as an AI trading algorithm. I'm sorry, guys. Even in my own personal business, I'm already replacing a lot of humans with AI because of that consistency. That's just a fact. There are like humans have emotions, have up and down mood swings, have this, have that. This shit doesn't, and especially in trading, emotions are the killer. And you guys see me, right? Even myself, I've created this stuff, and I still like, you guys see me sometimes get mad or something when a big wick doesn't go my way or whatever. Look at this. You guys seeing this? This is masochism right here. Look. This is how much you needed to hit. I'm glad that I closed it, to be honest, because it was going to hit either way. It was just going to keep doing this for another hour or two before it hits it, which I don't want this live to be that long. But yeah, if you want a trading algorithm, go ahead, click the link down in the description. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoy this kind of format where I'm just live trading. And oh, the drawdown is getting worse. Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right. Well, yeah, of course, because this is going up. So now we need a move, a downwards move, or else either our equity stop for the day is going to hit, or if the algorithm is going to set some stop losses a bit after when it sees that there is no recovering. So we'll see what actually happens. Whatever it is, I still think we're safe enough to be able to still be in profits for the day. And yeah, that's what it is. See you guys on the next one.